Suppose here, I'm having this little man named Carl. Okay? Carl is having a pendulum with him. And here we are having an elevator. Now what Carl does is, it's going inside the elevator and it's tying the pendulum inside the elevator. Okay? Now Carl is on the ground. The elevator is moving upward with acceleration A. Now if I'll ask Carl, what is the position of the pendulum? Whether it is at rest or it's moving? What Carl will say? Obviously he will say, yes, the pendulum is moving with the elevator. Now the elevator is coming down, right? Carl goes in again, and this time Carl remains inside the elevator. Now again the elevator will move upwards. Now I'll ask Carl, what is the situation of pendulum? Whether it is at rest or it's moving? What Carl will say? It is at rest because it is in front of me, in front of my eye. It's not moving anywhere. But what do you notice? Each single time the pendulum is moving, right? It's there. We are not changing the position of the pendulum. But why Carl is giving different answers? Here, our Newton laws of motion are not valid. They are failing. To solve this kind of situation, we need to understand something called frame of reference. So what is frame of reference? Frame of reference is a set of axes. It's a set of axes with respect to which we determine the position of the body, whether it is at rest, whether it is moving, and blah blah blah, right? So the set of axes or the frame of reference are categorized into two types. One is inertial frame of reference, another one is non-inertial frame of reference. So inertial frame of reference are those which are at rest or which are moving with constant velocity. Like the Carl when it was on the ground. When Carl was on the ground, the inertial frame of reference was working there. It means Carl was at rest. In the next case, when Carl is going inside the elevator and moving with it, then it's accelerating, right? In that case, I can say now Carl is in non-inertial frame of reference. That means my frame of reference is not at rest anymore. It's moving. So in non-inertial frame of reference, our Newton laws of motion fails. Then how to solve them? We will solve them with the help of something known as pseudo-force. We'll study pseudo-force in the upcoming session.